Welcome to my Halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is Japanese DASHI Broth. Yay! Have you heard the word of dashi? If you are washoku lover, the word of dashi is already familiar, I think. Dashi is the Japanese original broth. In case of overseas, the broth is taken from chicken meat or bone, isn't it? But we Japanese make the broth from dried bonito, dried anchovy, then dried kelp, and dried mushroom. You can buy them in Japanese grocery shop or online. Today I want to show you how to make the dashi broth from them. Shall we get started? In my video, I want to share many tips of Japanese cooking. I know that some Japanese food contains alcohol, so you cannot enjoy it. However, after watching this video, you can make halal Japanese food using local ingredients only. If you like this video and you want to open your own shop with my recipes, I'm very happy to support you. See below for more information if you need. Is like this. All of these are dry food. Katsuobushi is made by smoking bonito until it becomes hot, then thinly shaving it. Kombu is dried kelp, very hot. Niboshi is this one. Niboshi is probably the same fish as ikan base I saw in Singapore. It's dry small anchovy. Shiitake is dried shiitake mushroom. Whatever a volume of each ingredient you use depend on your family's taste. In case of me, based on my grandma's taste, for example, when I eat mochi soup during the New Year celebration, I use kelp dashi to taste sweet and refined flavor. In summer season, when I want to eat cold noodle, I use bonito dashi. And the flavor of anchovy cambis is stronger than bonito, so I love to use anchovy cambis for miso soup with tofu or vegetable. Shiitake mushroom is very suitable for stewed vegetable and seasoned rice. However, we are busy nowadays. We don't spend the time as same as grandma's era. So many Japanese people use commercially available dashi sachet or instant dashi powder. I open to show you the inside of sachet. Oh, like this. This one, I checked the behind the pouch. This one is bonito and mackerel and sardine, dry kelp, then frying fish, all dry food. The powder, like the powder, this one kelp. Another one cannot find, but all mix of fish. Since this dashi pack sachet is made up of dry fish and kelp only, it's sure halal, I think. But if you can choose the ingredient by yourself, so you can make your own dashi pack. I'm very lazy to make dashi sachet at home each time. I put dashi ingredient into the pot directly, no use to dashi sachet. In this way, you can save the time and money to prepare the paper bag and no rubbish for the earth. And result is same of using as dashi sachet. Okay, let's try to make dashi broth in my way together. Okay, can we try to make dashi broth together? Today I prepared water is almost 300 cc for one person. Then Bonito, Katsuobushi, and Niboshi, anchovy cranberries, kombu, then this one shiitake mushroom. So the volume is almost so like this. One like this. Then niboshi is depends on the size. This one quite big, so maybe 5 or 6. Then anchovy cranberries has very strong flavor. If you mind the cranberries flavor is too strong, so you remove the head. You remove the head and open and take out the guts. Then inside. Of course, you can put whole anchovy. It's okay, no problem. Up to you. Take out the take out the guts, and head is like this. Take out. Remove the guts. After remove the head, don't throw this head because you can use this cold brew dashi. Then kombu is like this. Then use scissors, cut into like this. Then shiitake mushroom also cut. Okay, then on the heat. Once the water boils, simmer for 5 or 6 minutes, and after that strain it. Little bit slow down the fire and simmer. Okay. Now take out all. Now strain them. Dashi broth has done already. After making dashi broth, please collect the leavings in a zip bag like this and keep it in the freezer. Because these are just boiled 5 minutes only. It's not rubbish, still food. So we Japanese said mottainai. Mottainai means it would be waste. So remake to another dishes. We collect amount of this. So after that, season by soybean sauce and sugar, and make tsukurani. Tsukudani is not main dish, but it's filling of onigiri rice ball and it's a side dish that goes with rice. About tsukudani video, I will add after I collect some amount. Please look for it. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!